Hello everybody, Rod's Revs here. Another Saturday upload. You read the title, you read the thumbnail. Today we've got the Off-White Bred Air Jordan 4. Let's get into that intro montage. Alright, so getting into the story behind this shoe. Obviously, this is an Off-White designed by Virgil creation. It is yet to be publicly actually released, and it's been in his museum exhibits. Unfortunately, from his passing, these haven't been officially released yet. However, his wife Shannon was seen wearing them during an interview. They've been in multiple museum exhibits, and now this stuff is rolling around. These probably will be released for retail in the future. However attainable those will be is still questionable, it being an Off-White release. You know, everybody wants them. So we got these. Getting into the review of the sneaker, starting with the bottom, the outsole here, we can see it's multiple different colors. We got the red on the toe and on the very back of the heel, as well as the Nike logo here with the white behind it, a little white at the front of the foot, and the center is this translucent kind of gray, gummy type of color. I love that it is translucent. I love that hit on sneakers, and I really love it on these, the Jordan 4s. Moving along to the outsole, we can see cream along the back by the air bubble with that gum coming around the front. We got a little hit of black for the bit that comes above, and then red at the front of the foot with the stars on it. As well as on the back, there's red along the heel part. Looking at the toe of the shoe, around the toe strap is this ripstop type material, adding a little bit of texture on top of the toe box there. And around most of the entirety of the shoe is this black suede. It's very soft, very light suede. Moving up a little bit more from the suede, we've got the white netting, which is on the toe, or rather behind the laces. And also on the side, we can see this white netting. My pair here is a little bit warped. Not sure why that is. It's unfortunate to see, but after I wear them for a little while, the rest of the shoe will get scuffed up to match. It's not going to look out of place. Also in that same area is the plastic lace eyelets, which there's the small one up here on the toe, and then there's the longer one that comes up here by the ankle. These are a translucent plastic. As you can see here, I've got the laces fed through it, kind of coming out the bottom of it. I think that's a pretty interesting way to lace it, since I don't really like to tie Jordan 4s. It covers up the tongue a lot, so I really like being able to still see the lace come through there. And with them being translucent, it allows me to do that. Keeping up the theme with translucent panels, the back tab, which is also a plasticky material, same as the lace eyelets, keeps up with this being this translucent plastic. You can see the heel cup behind it. Any of you people legit checking, this pair at least is pretty decent quality, and it bounces back perfectly fine. Looking at the tongue of the shoe on the front, we can see we have the normal Jumpman. It doesn't have the ripstop overlay on it, which may or may not differ from retails. I've seen pairs that do have it and pairs that don't have it, so take it as it is. On the inside of the tongue, we have the embroidered little patch that says Air Jordan, which is backwards, but if you fold the tongue forwards, it is the right way. Also, on the inner side of the shoe here, we have the signature Off-White. It's behind the caging on the inner side of the shoe. And then the air text that is on the outside of the outsole. This is what it looks like. Regarding the box that it came in, it is just like the other Off-White Jordan 4 box with the holes in it. The plastic holes in the side covered by clear plastic. This is what the size tag says. It is the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SP in sail, muslin, black, red. I got a women's 12, men's 10.5, which is a Euro 44.5. And the suggested retail little tab on the side, it says 200 USD. For the accessories that came in the box, we've got the red insoles that were in the shoe with the men's size 10.5 sticker on them, which may or may not be correct because obviously these are a women's release technically. We had the shoe trees to hold up the toe box that were inside of the shoes. Just the regular standard Jordan toe box. We have a black off-white zip tie, which reads Off-White TM CO Nike C 2020 quote zip tie end quote. It's just a standard off-white zip tie in black. We have this Jordan 4 hang tag. Also something that you guys will definitely want to pay attention to is the replacement laces. Everybody loves having a whole bunch of replacement laces for their sneakers. This one came with sail laces with black text on them, red laces with white text on them there, and white laces with black text. And of course, in the shoes themselves, it came already laced with regular black laces with white text. Also is the Jordan 4 branded plastic paper. If you guys care about the box and accessories, that's everything that was included in my pair. Regarding comfort and sizing, these guys fit just like another Jordan 4. I only have the Travis Olive 4s, which have a leather interior, so they feel pretty different, but these fit pretty similarly to the Union 4s, which have the same kind of fleecy type material as the inner liner. Pretty comfortable. You really can slip them on just like any other Jordan 4, which is why I keep them loose laced at the top, because I can slip them on and they're nice and snug. They're not going anywhere. One thing I would mention is that I got the same size as my other Jordan 4s. The Union and Travis ones I have in a size 10.5, which is my true to size, and they fit me fantastically. And these guys are pretty tight at the toe box. I've laced them as loose as I really can, and they still fit pretty snugly. If you guys are getting this from the same seller as me, then maybe get a half size up. But of course, that's up to you. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next Saturday with another upload. Adios.